Hello everyone, my name is Viren Dayal. I'm a custom broker and a logistics skill council certified trainer in customs law. And today I'm going to talk to you about another interesting topic known as Deferred Import Payment of Duty Rules 2016.
For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Deferred Payment of Import Duty Rules 2016, which have come into effect in India from the 2nd of November 2016. Before I explain these rules, let me give you a background. The Indian government, more particularly the Ministry of Finance, had recognized a certain category of import and exporters known as Accredited Client Program. They had a program known as ACP, and a lot of facilitation were given to these ACPs because they were great contributors not only in terms of duty of customs but also in exports from India. Later on, the government of India adopted the Authorized Economic Operators Program AEO since about 2011, but more so since 2016, and a lot of encouragement was given to the AEO program. Now the AEOs were divided into three main categories: Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. So Tier 2 and Tier 3 categories of importers were given the facility of deferred duty payment along with the AEO Tier 2 and Tier 3. So AEO basically being one of the categories. The other category of importers who got exemption from payment of duty immediately on the goods being cleared from Indian customs. Certain public sector undertakings recognized by the Directorate of International Customs under CBIC. So essentially there are two kinds of categories: A, authorized economic operator, and within that Tier 2 and Tier 3 accredited AEOs, and the public sector undertakings which have been recognized by CBIC. So what is the mechanism here of payment of duty? Under Section 47 of the Customs Act, importers are supposed to pay the duty in case of a facilitated bill of entry under RMS on the same day in which the bill of entry is assessed. And if it is not assessed under RMS, which is a facilitated bill of entry, and if it is passed by the custom officer, the appraiser, AC, then the importers get a time of 24 hours excluding holidays by which they should pay the duty. But that was not the case in case of these two accredited undertakings. These rules say that when an importer like AEO Tier 2 or Tier 3 or this public sector undertaking recognized by the CBIC, if they file a bill of entry on a presumption that today on the 1st of June, then they will pay the duty on the 16th of June excluding holidays. So if 16th June is Sunday, then they have to pay it by Monday, which is 17th of June. Similarly, if they file a bill of entry on say 18th of June or 19th June, 20th June as the case may be, which is the second half of the month, they'll pay the duty on the 1st of July, again excluding holidays. However, if they file a bill of entry on the 19th of March of a particular year, then they will pay duty by the 31st of March and not 1st April, because 31st March is the last date of the financial year of the government and no duty can remain outstanding on the 1st. So these are the rules which have been made, and the accredited AEO Tier 2 and Tier 3 and the public sector undertaking must not default in payment of the duty at least in a consecutive period of 3 months. Otherwise, their status of giving deferred duty credit is temporarily withdrawn until and unless they pay the amount of duty along with interest. Until that time, the first will be withdrawn and later on it will be reinstated. So friends, the deferred duty payment, which started for the very first time in India in 2016, has now been continued, and such accredited clients are making use of this facility introduced by Indian Customs.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.